Hey there, it's Shahriyar and Mahir, and today we're diving into a topic that's very near and dear to my own heart. That is the overcoming the fear of mathematics. Remember the times you've said, "Oh, I can do this math," and felt very overconfident? Well, I've been there too. But guess what? Math really doesn't work that way. It's overconfidence and lack of practice that slowly builds the problem, and this is what we have to deal with. A lot of people do not understand that this might seem easy, but it is not going to be a long-term thing. Math should be a part of your daily routine. The more consistent you are, the less that fear takes hold. Believe me, understanding and connecting math concepts becomes more effortless when it's a daily habit. Like when you build up on basic things, like very basic things, no one can really stop you. It's basically about practice, and practice. I understand that we have to practice a lot, but you have to break down your weaknesses. After recognizing where you struggle, set specific goals to practice and improve. You might think you've got it all, but trust me, going back to the very basics, practicing even what seems easy is crucial. Overcoming that false sense of mastery that we have. I'll be the first to admit it, because during COVID, I thought math could be achieved without any practice. I couldn't have been wrong, as it was a very hard lesson to learn. And then when I go to an exam and I feel like, oh gosh, this is hard. But it's all about practice and getting to know the language. How mathematics works is different. Mistakes are your best friends in the learning journey. Use different colored pens to mark and correct your efforts. I wish someone told me earlier about this tip that I say in literally every single video. Tracking your progress and seeing what you've done wrong is a powerful learning tool. It helped me immensely. Red for mistakes, violet for notes, and blue for any thinking is going to be very effective, that I cannot even use words to describe how much it helped me. Self-grading is extremely essential. The more you self-test and grade your assignments, the more your confidence grows. You might get lower marks initially in your self-tests, but these self-tests are a medium for you to never repeat the mistakes that was going to happen, so you eventually score high marks in the final exam and in the final test. It's all about building that self-assurance and pointing out your mistakes that you could have made in an exam, but you just made it in your home so that you never make that mistake again in that main exam. That's how I try to work. That works excellent for me. At first, doing extra homework might seem boring, but trust me, if you're consistent enough, it's very worth it. You do not need to do extra homework, but at least you should do your homework, especially when you're building a strong foundation. During this era, it is crucial that you stay ahead of your class even by a bit and understand the basic techniques of doing the maths that is being taught in class, and you will see the results by the end of 2 months. You don't have to revisit every single topic, but consistency and focused understanding are key. Accept that you'll make mistakes, which is true, and learn from them. But try to make the mistakes in your self-tests, so that will help you increase your marks. Besides just following these tips, try to find out ways that you can improve. For me, I think if I didn't keep believing on the fact that I should practice even when I can, I don't think I would be more confident in math than I am today, because the more you practice, the more factoring, the more simple things that you practice, trust me, it is going to be very helpful for you and your life. I know x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4c divided by 2. I won't get you a job, but at least it's going to get you a degree. But at least it's going to get you some sort of success, at least within the matrix. It's all about balance. It's all about understanding of who you are. It's all about seeing your weaknesses. It's all about pointing out how you can be better. It's all about your sincerity as a student. So folks, that's how you can overcome math fear. Remember, it's not about saying, I can do this. That's bogus. It's about proving it through practice and perseverance. And I think math is conquerable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome educational and career-based content. See you guys. Bye-bye.